Dropbox soared in its Wall Street debut today. Investors rushing to buy into the biggest technology IPO we have seen since Snap came public last year around this time. The cloud storage company closed out its first day of trading with a gain of more than 35%. Deirdre Bosa has more on Dropbox and its strategy for growth.
As Dropbox makes its public debut, the company enters a land of land grabs. Cloud computing has been one of the hottest corners of the market over the last year, and it's not just cloud-focused companies like Salesforce and Atlassian that are playing in the field. Tech behemoths like Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon are major players, and they're only getting bigger. So where does Dropbox fit in? Well, the San Francisco-based company has 500 million registered users and became a household name thanks to its popularity with consumers rather than businesses.
It's viral. It's something that's incredibly sticky, and you see that across the metrics of the company. So if they can continue to innovate and develop, which they've proved they can do in the past.
But in the file-sharing cloud business, the money is an enterprise, and Dropbox is increasingly moving into the space on its path to profitability. Dropbox CEO and co-founder Drew Houston says the company's consumer following will help it win more business customers.
So we have over 500 million registered users, and since the beginning they've been bringing us into millions of companies, and so we have over 300,000 paying Dropbox business customers. And it starts really simply. So you start using Dropbox at home, you bring it into work, start sharing and collaborating with a team on a project, then that team becomes a department, becomes a whole company, becomes a whole industry.
Investors seem to agree. While there were concerns as to whether the public markets would value Dropbox as richly as the private market has in the past, the company's debut today suggests that investors believe there's plenty more room to grow. Now, as a public company, though, it'll have to prove that it can grab more land in a competitive landscape. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Deirdre Bosa, New York.